Okay, hello, Professor Diaz. My name is Gabriel Carrillo. Here we have the ellipsoid calculator exam that we were tasked with doing this week. To start off, we import math, so we're able to use functions and tools such as uh, math.py and POW, all of those essential needs for this calculator to work. So here we initially set a-axis radius, b, and c all to 0. And then here, these are where we get our functions for this exam. This calculator is part of the code, calc surface area, and we're giving it with the parameters of a-axis radius, b-axis radius, and c-axis radius. All right, and so here we have the formula that we are given in the requirements, and we're going to return the surface area when it's called upon. Here we have calc volume. Again, a-axis radius, b-axis radius, c-axis radius are going to be the parameters. And then here we have the formula. Volume is equal to the formula that we're given inside the requirements. Again, this is the get user function. This essentially just, when it's called upon, gets the information from the user and then places them into the a-axis radius, b-axis radius, and c-axis radius that we had already, that we're already using in the functions above, and now it just gets the value for it and places it for those functions. So here in the main the main program, the main chunk of the program, we have our get user input. We're calling on the get user input function, which again is going to ask for these three things right here. Additionally, we have two print commands, which are going to they're going to print the surface area of the ellipsoid and the volume of the ellipsoid, and then it calls upon the calc surface area and the calc volume functions in order to do that. This essentially, when it's calling upon these, is calling upon it to return the surface area and to return the volume in these two spots right here. So let's go ahead and run this real quick. We'll put in the numbers that were given: 1.1, 2.2, 3.3, and then here you go. This is our output right here: 59.2, and then 33.4. We could round this out further, but we're not required to do that, so we're not going to do that. This exam was pretty easy. It's something that I've done prior. The most challenging part that I had was just the syntax of Python, just getting used to that. Some of the things initially here in this function right here, when it regards to the formula, wasn't working at first, so it took me just a little bit longer than it should have, but this is it. Thank you so much.